Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back in the warehouse here, and we're going to be talking about Pentair's new Architectural Series lights. So we have one of their lights here. There are so many different variations between the voltage, the foot length, if it's pool spa, if it's color or white. There's so many options, guys. You really got to check these out. The one we have here is a light IntelliBrite Architectural Series 50-foot, 12-volt, which is your low voltage color pool size light. So it's going to be a big light. It's going to have a 50-foot cord, and it's going to be a little bit of smaller cord because it's low voltage. The nice thing about low voltage is you don't have to worry about any high voltage going into the swimming pool, which just isn't usually a good thing. So most pool lights have always been high voltage. More and more manufacturers are starting to make low voltage lights. You just have to have a transformer that steps down the voltage to this 12-volt. You still get really, really good brightness out of it, if not better than before, and it's just a lot safer. So this light, as you can see, is domed. What the new Pentair Architectural Series does is it gives a much wider, more uniformed throw. So this really lights up the pool, makes it glow. It's not like a spotlight. It's just more of a good floodlight that just really lights up the pool, makes it glow. Back behind here, you're going to find the wire and the cord and everything. 50 feet of it, as well as the instructions. This is the pool size light. It's larger. The spa size is a little bit smaller than this. This is just a great light. So pool size, color light, comes available in white and all kinds of different voltages and cord lengths. You can find these at ePoolSupply. I'm Greg. You have a great rest of the day.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.